purpose of that hole. My lunch. Princess point, you can be queen. But me, I'm sorry, it's coming. It's just taking so long because holidays. What are you looking at? Good morning. Hi everyone. Good morning. Turn this light to. Oh, so bright. Oh, yay. So, good morning everyone. So yesterday, I had a rough night. You know, relationship issues, you know, so Dong and I had a little argument. We actually fought a little bit last night. Probably not gonna get into any details, but we fought and it was, yeah, it's kind of crappy. It was a really bad way to end the night. So I couldn't even take off my makeup properly. I did a little, I don't know, it just came off somehow, but I didn't get to wash it off nicely, so I'm going to just kind of clean my face. It's kind of funny because yesterday we were arguing, but like I'm so stubborn in a sense because I told myself like I wanted to end the night with some like black bean, you know, jjajangmyeon, spaghetti or jjajangmyeon, like black bean noodles. I told myself that. I'm like, even when we were fighting, I was still making the food and I made sure that I was eating it. And we're like middle of a fight, and I was still like forcing myself to eat. Like I really wanted to eat that night, but you know, like arguing and like just like fighting didn't really stop me from eating that. So I guess I'm crazy over food, but okay. So I've been using this face wash for the longest time. I think I had this for at least 3 years. But because I don't use it as often. So I've been using this, shoot, what is this called? What is this called? Foreo Luna. Yeah, Foreo Luna. Actually, my best friend was using it and I was there. I got it with her, but I didn't know how expensive it was to begin with. But my face was getting very like rough and like I was getting a lot of like weird stuff on my face. So I wanted to find like I wanted to invest on something that could really clear up my face and feel smooth and all. So I asked my friend about it.
And because like, she was using it, you know, and I saw her using it at my bachelorette party. So I asked her after if she likes it, and she said like she does see some difference. So I went to go get it with her actually. I was gonna get the smaller one, but she said might as well get a bigger one. She said it's worth it. It was like about $140, I think. This, the smaller ones are like $70. I don't know, but
these are not as abrasive as the Clarisonic. I used to use Clarisonic when I was back in college, and I think that was too harsh on my face. I was one of those people who broke out because it dried up my face too much. And I don't think, like Clarisonic, I don't think you should be using that every day, but this is gentle enough to use every night at least. I don't do it twice a day, I just do it like after I wear makeup. Oh, it feels nice. Done. Oh, I think my package is here. My package is here. What is that?
It's for me.
Oh.
Oh, you wish it was for you.
Yeah, I thought it was the June's suit. What is that?
It's for.
Oh, when you're filming?
Yeah, you could go on.
Oh, we're ready for a big package, right? Not this big package.
That normal.
Not this big package. I am disappointed. Waiting for my package. But I guess we're taking down the Christmas tree today. And we're going to our friends up north, so suburbs area. We're celebrating Christmas, late Christmas, early New Year's, and early birthday. So we got him a gift and Christmas gift. So I guess I'll film that, him opening gifts. Yay.
No.
So we have a hole on our towel, and we found the purpose of it.
Go away.
Turn around. This is the purpose of the hole. Bend down. Bend down.
No,
Bend
now you're
down.
filming porn.
Nobody wants to see that. Amma, come up here. Come on. Good boy. Let's chill here. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna just chill here. Yeah, we're gonna just chill here. Good boy. Oh, yeah? I love you. Pa, let's hold hands. This is what he wears when he's about to film. A nice shirt and an underwear. What?
It's like that, what is that, video conference or meeting, whatever, at home?
Oh yeah, you're wearing a like a nice
Like interview on top.
suit and a tie.
Yeah.
I could do that for you. Don't worry, Ame. Your giant bed is coming very soon, okay? He's sitting on this doormat. Oh my god, look at this poopsie. My little poopsie, I'm sorry it's coming. It's just taking so long because holidays. But we got him a really, really big giant bed, which he's gonna love. My lunch. Yum. Babe, can I sit on that side? I'll pick up some lighting and I will cook you alive.
Okay. Okay, so.
Yum.
This was a bad idea. I should just finish one.
아마 한번 걷고 가야겠지?
We're taking him though, right?
그래도 It's a long ride.
Are we picking him at some? Or?
I could ask. Hi, Ame! So, I kind of like rushed out of the house. We had to bring the gifts and just some Christmas stuff that I want to store away. Well, it's gonna be in my trunk for a while, but we haven't been in this car. Well, we drove yesterday, but
So what do you mean we have?
no, like, but yesterday when we drove, it's been a week. Because like we usually walk everywhere. Once you're in Chicago, we realize everything's pretty close. Like, everything is like walkable distance, and we get good exercise out of it. So, I mean, what are you looking at? It looks like a statue. We're gonna stop by this bakery called Fat Rice. So I only heard of Fat Rice restaurant, but our friend told us that there's Fat Rice Bakery, which closes in 45 minutes. And usually bakeries, they do run out of stuff pretty early if it's really popular. But we'll see. I heard good things about it, but we'll find out if hopefully they have something left for us. I'm gonna bring that to our friend's house for dessert. I'm gonna pick up our friend, and then we're gonna head all the way to the north of Illinois.
Baby, it's cold.
Baby, it's cold outside. You like my harmonizing?
Oh yes.
Is that Fat Rice?
Oh, that's Fat Rice. I see.
That's cute. Okay.
I'll be
Okay.
right.
Yeah. That's the bakery. Yeah. But it's inside, it's attached. but outside you just have to go around. And then I got their like fat rice blended coffee. It's good. I like it. I think you like it. It's not as sour. So I got black coffee. And then I got a bunch of egg tarts because I know for a fact that Hasan likes egg tarts.
Really?
Yeah. Hasan likes egg tarts. And then I got like 5 of those. So I'm gonna eat one right now. And then I got this milk bar, and then one like a something lemon coconut muffin. This one is, I don't know. 이게 뭐였지? That's the milk bar, and then a bunch of egg tarts. And this is masara, and this is something coconut muffin. Yum. I think my sister's husband will love this.
Okay.
I think my sister's husband will love this. Oh my god, right? It's good, right? Oh my god.
Wow.
So good, right?
Yum.
Good thing I got 5. Maybe next time when my sister and her husband visits, I'll bring them here and say, oh, the egg tart you want.
Go nuts.
Yeah, my sister and they are really cute. They just have, it's so cute how like, I don't know, they like very unexpected things. it might be under, just give him. Here. I mean, whose toy is that? Whose toy is that? Whose toy is that? Hi. He doesn't even say. Hey, do you wanna? Jasmine, do you want some? 조금만 먹어, 이거 맛있어. 이거 맛있어.
Oh yeah, only you do like egg parmesan. Remember last
I
time?
think you don't have like a lot of obsessions, but when you have them,
I like them a lot. Yeah. Like, I can actually eat like maybe 20 at a time.
now it's called fat rice.
Maybe
Fat
맛있다.
rice.
It's good.
It's better. I think it's better than Jojo.
So Asian person is it? Or
It's like it's supposed to be like Portuguese Chinese place.
Portuguese Chinese? That's a weird combo. Or I never heard of the combo. 진짜 좋아한다.
좀 짭짤한데 맛있다. 저밥 안 먹었었네.
어디가? 아, 여기지. This is your area.
How did your parents like Florida?
Yeah, you should look up where there was an explosion, but yeah, it was a huge explosion and it affected the whole New York like sky.
Like they cook it.
Oh my god! Thanks.
It's like just enough for KEEMI and Dong Diggity. That's
Yes.
it.
Thank you for joining another. No.
When you go next time, just show them the photo. I want this.
There are only 2 things that's supposed to be.
It's the only one that starts with a Z.
That's true. Because otherwise you're ordering like mussels and mussels.
Baked and like.
Oh, really?
99번만 살 거야.
집 사는 거.
집 사는 거? Oh, that's very
Yeah, that's something
huge.
big. That's something huge.
That or wedding photos.
Ame, what is that? Here, open it. Ame, open it. Ame, what is this? Ame, look. Look. Oh, it rips. Yeah.
발로 그냥 할 거야.
어디가? Where are you going? 귀여워. Ame, say thank you. Say thank you. Yeah, 아 근데 너무 귀여운데? Home sweet home. Oh yeah. Ame and his gift. It's so cute. So cute. Yeah. We didn't realize, but it was snowing while we were having fun at our friend's house. So when we came out, there was actually a good amount of snow in the car and stuff. It was very cold, and of course Chicago was much colder. So right now, like, we have some parking issues, all that, so we park a little away from our apartment. So the walk here, it was like it's 2 blocks away, but it was hell. It was so windy. So yeah, we're home. We're safely home. I'm gonna go to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Bye Mama. The dog takes the bed, and we sleep in this little corner. Hey, you sleep there tonight. I sleep here, okay? I'm gonna sleep here. Anything for you, princess? Prince. Hey.
What? You call him princess?
You're the princess point. You can be queen, king, whatever the hell you want.